When performing a bank reconciliation, there are reports available to assist in ensuring that it has been done correctly prior to posting. The bank reconciliation report can be printed from either the Reports menu or within Reconciliation Entry from the Listing button. It is designed to be printed when you have finished entering all transactions to be reconciled for a given bank, listing all reconciled and outstanding transactions with calculated balances. The Calculate As of date is used to exclude future dated transactions. If backdating to a prior statement date, a list of reconciled transactions for that statement can be generated. The opening bank balance as of the previous statement date is displayed at the top. If this report is printed during a reconciliation where statuses have been changed but not yet posted, a list of these pending changes are printed next. The new bank statement balance is calculated as if all the pending reconciliation statuses are posted. Following this is the list of outstanding transactions that have not yet been reconciled, with the final calculated cash balance for this bank as if all these transactions have cleared the bank. Detailed transactions can be sorted in each section, either by the date or the bank reference. The summary version of this report suppresses the details and only shows the subtotals. The detail version of this report allows selecting a bank summary section at the end to list totals of pending and outstanding transactions by type. When printing this report for a backdated statement, this summary also includes totals for each reconciliation status. Another report is the reconciliation worksheet. It can also be printed either from the Reports menu or the reconciliation function from the Worksheet button. This report lists only transactions for a selection of one or more banks, with a pending reconciliation status as of the report date. Future dated transactions are excluded. Reconciled transactions are grouped into those that add to the bank balance and those that subtract from the bank balance. The balance as of the last statement is listed at the top, and the calculated ending balance is printed at the end. Transaction details within each group can be sorted by date or by bank reference, and a bank summary section, like the bank reconciliation report, may also be included. Print the bank reconciliation and worksheet reports to verify that posted transactions match the bank. Find out more about Adagio from the product page on our website. Watch another training video on this Adagio program from the playlist, or subscribe to the Adagio YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.